In this video, I will show you how to crochet shell stitches. We start crocheting a chain and starting with a slip knot. Tighten it around your crochet hook and start with chain stitches. And on this chain, you need a multiple of 6. So 6, 12, 18 and so on. So a multiple of 6, and then in the end, you add 2. So yarn over your crochet hook, pull through. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull through. And continue. So in this example, I have crocheted 12, and that is a multiple of 6, and in the end I add 1 and 2 chains. On the next row, crochet single crochet. Go down in the second stitch from your crochet hook, pick up the yarn, pull through. You have 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through both of them. You have crocheted a single crochet. Continue until the end of this row. So I had 12 plus 2, that is 14, which means I need to crochet 13 on this row. So when you're at the end, chain 1 and turn your work. So in the first stitch, so we always skip the turning chains. So this is the first stitch. In the first stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. Down, pick up the yarn, pull through, pick up the yarn, pull through. A single crochet. Skip 2. So skip this one and skip that one and go down in the third. And in the third, crochet 5 double crochet. So yarn over, go inside the stitch, pick up the yarn. 3 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through 2, pick up the yarn, pull through 2. So that is 1 double crochet. Yarn over, go inside the same stitch, pick up the yarn. 3 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through 2, pick up the yarn, pull through 2. So 2 double crochets, and continue until you have 5 in the same stitch. This is the first shell. So after this, we skip 2 again and go down in the stitch after that and crochet a single crochet. Then skip 2, go down in the stitch after that and crochet 5 double crochets. Three left, skip 2 and go down in the stitch after that and crochet a single crochet. So if I started with a single crochet, I finish the row with a single crochet. So chain 1 and turn your work. We're on the next row. So in that row, we will start with 3 double crochet in the first stitch. And remember, the chaining stitch does not count. So 3 here in the first. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet at the top of your shell. Skip 2, 5 double crochet in the single crochet from previous round here at the bottom. Skip 2, single crochet at the top of your shell. Then you have 3 stitches left, so skip 2 and 3 at the end, 3 double crochets in the last stitch. So you will always start with 3 double crochets and you will finish with 3 double crochets, and in between you just repeat skip 2, 5 double crochets, skip 2, 1 single crochet at the top. So these 2 rows, the first one that I showed you with shell stitches, row number 3 here and row number 4 here, you will repeat these rows until you're happy with the size of your project. And I will show you how to finish this project so that you get a straight line up here. And it is important that you finish with row number 3, so this first one that we did. So do not finish with this row that we just crocheted with, starting with 3 double crochets, finish with 3 double crochets. So we need to finish with a row starting with a single crochet, finish with a single crochet. So I will show you one more row, starting with a single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochets, single crochet, skip 2, a single crochet at the top, skip 2, 5 double crochets in the single crochet from previous round at the bottom. Repeat that until you're at the end and only have 3 stitches left, which I have now, and a single in the last one. So I started this row again with a single, finished with a single, and that means that we are ready for the finishing row. So how to finish this project is a double crochet in the first stitch, only one. In the next 2 stitches, half double crochets. Yarn over, go inside, pick up the yarn. 3 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through all of them. Again. And then 1 single crochet at the top. Then 2 half double crochets again. And 1 double crochet at the bottom. 2 half double crochet on our way up on the shell. 1 single at the top of the shell. 2 half double crochets going down from the shell, and 1 double crochet at the bottom. So we finished with a straight line.